Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. Beyond technical prowess, AI now requires social finesse. AI soft skills are essential for effective communication. These skills enable AI to understand human emotions. This ensures seamless interactions. Mastering AI soft skills is crucial today. AI must understand emotions and intentions. AI soft skills bridge human communication and artificial intelligence. Semantics, the study of meaning in language, is paramount in AI communication. AI systems must decipher the nuances of human language. This includes idioms, metaphors, and cultural references. By grasping implicit meanings, AI can respond contextually. This enhances clarity and reduces misunderstandings. For instance, consider the phrase read between the lines. An AI lacking semantic understanding might interpret this literally. However, an AI with semantic analysis understands the figurative meaning. This ability is essential for effective communication. By understanding our true intent, AI provides more relevant responses. The way we interact with AI impacts communication quality. Clear, concise prompts are crucial. They guide AI towards desired outcomes. Effective prompts elicit accurate, creative responses. Consider requesting a poem from an AI. A vague prompt yields generic results. Specific prompts provide clear direction. Mastering prompting unlocks AI's potential. Cognitive models underpin AI conversation. These models replicate human cognitive processes like language understanding and reasoning. By simulating human thought, AI engages in natural conversations. AI remembers past interactions and learns from exchanges. This leads to personalized experiences. One key model is the theory of mind. It allows AI to attribute mental states to others. This helps AI tailor responses. Cognitive models make AI communication more human-like. They pave the way for sophisticated AI interactions.